Welcome to this Taskstream guide for students. During this guide you can navigate using the buttons below the slide. Please click the forward icon to proceed. The topics covered in this guide are: how to access your student Taskstream account, how to upload your assignment to Taskstream, how to submit your assignment for grading, where to get help if you need further assistance. Students do not need to sign up or purchase a Taskstream account. All you need to do is log in to Blackboard. Click on your course. Select Tools on the left side of your Blackboard dashboard. From the list of available tools, select Taskstream LAT Assignments. If this option is missing, it may mean your instructor has not enabled the Taskstream tool yet. After Taskstream loads, you will see the title of your key assignment. In some cases there will be directions or a link to the rubric used to grade the assignment. This can vary, depending on the instructor's preferences. To upload your assignment, click on the work link. After you have clicked on the work link, you will see what file formats are permitted to upload. One or all of these options may be visible. You can upload a wide variety of files to Taskstream such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, MP3 and MP4. Be aware, the instructor will have to have the necessary applications on their computer to view or interact the files. There are a few things to note about these upload options. Video submissions must be 500 megabytes or less. However, if you select the attachments option, the file must be 50 megabytes or less. An option not pictured here is a web link. Currently, links to Google ePortfolios will not load in the Taskstream environment. It is best for the evaluator to copy the link to another tab in their browser to view a portfolio. Taskstream will permit you to upload more than one file at a time. It is recommended that if you are uploading videos, to do so one file at a time. An important point: uploading your files to Taskstream does not immediately send them to your instructor. You will have to complete another step after your upload to successfully complete your submission. Only then can your key assignment be viewed by your instructor and evaluated. Once the upload of your file is completed, you should see confirmation in the green heading as shown here. In this window you can see there are options to add more files, review what you have uploaded, edit or delete the file. If you are satisfied with your upload, you would click Save and Return on the lower right. Once you have clicked Save and Return, you will be brought to a screen similar to what is shown here. Note that this screen will allow you to add more files, if necessary. In this example you can see the assignment title. Below are the directions, evaluation method and attached standards, all of which can be expanded or collapsed by clicking the small triangle to the right of a heading. Further down, in the attachment section, is the Word document the student is preparing to submit. At this point, this assignment is a work in progress. The student must click on the gray Submit Work button on the upper right of the screen to complete the submission process. After clicking the Submit Work button, you will be asked if you wish to add a comment. You can leave the field blank, if no comment is required. Once your work is submitted, you can no longer make edits. If changes need to be made, the instructor will have to release the assignment back to you. When the student is ready to submit, would click on the blue Yes, Submit My Work button. This slide lists common technical issues. Taskstream requires that users allow pop-up windows and third-party cookies. Clearing your browser cache or allowing third-party cookies will help prevent this issue. If you get an error that there is no Taskstream assignment loaded, your course may not be set up in Taskstream. The instructor will need to contact COEHD taskstream@utsa.edu for assistance. If you are using Taskstream while zoomed in, using a small monitor or laptop, buttons and links can be out of view. To find them you may need to scroll up, down, left or right. Check if there are two scroll bars on the right or bottom of your screen. One will control the Taskstream window and the second will control the entire browser window. If your account is deactivated, contact COEHD taskstream@utsa.edu. The process of reactivate can take several hours to process. If you attempt to upload a video file that is too large, Taskstream will freeze during the upload process or give you an error message. Compression of the video file is the only option. A free compression software called Handbrake can be used to make the files smaller without losing image and sound quality. A guide on how to install and use Handbrake can be provided at your request.